Welcome to Milo Kids Learning Stories. Wow, a picnic!
All right, let's get the mat out.
I can help!
Here you go.
Wonderful, Milo!
Let's all sit down.
Yay, family time!
Today we start learning from letter C. This is letter C. Milo, it's your turn. Pick the letter C from the basket.
I'm ready! I will give my 100%, Dad!
That is not C. That is not C.
Try again, Milo. You can do it.
Yes, it's C.
Dad, I want to learn more!
Now let's learn letter D. Pick letter D. Excellent, that is D. Now we learn letter E. Milo, pick letter E.
This one?
That is not E.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that is E.
Dad, I'm very happy, but now I'm tired, so we'll learn more tomorrow.
Okay, Milo. Today we learned C, D, and E. I'm very proud of you, Milo.